Hello, makers! Gideon here, and welcome to AM Answers. So this episode, we're going to learn more about Fablabs. First time hearing about this? What on earth is a Fablab? Can you eat it? Is it a type of dog? Where is it? What does it do? Yes, we know you have a lot of questions about Fablabs. So, without further ado, let's get to it. What is a Fablab? Fablab is short for Fabrication Laboratory. It is a workshop workspace that offers digital fabrication services such as 3D printing, laser cutting, and CNC routing. The first Fablab in the world was founded at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 2001. And as the years passed, more and more Fablabs were established in different countries. There's the Vigram Ashram in India, which is one of the first Fablabs to be established outside of MIT. Then there's FabLab Berlin, which is one of the biggest Fablabs in the world. The Philippines also has many Fablabs in various institutions and universities. We have Fablabs in UP Diliman, in Bicol, in Cebu, in Iligan, to name a few. But our first ever Fablab established here in the Philippines is FabLab Bohol, which was founded on May 2, 2014 in the Bohol Island State University. What is the purpose of Fablabs? Well, Fablabs have made digital design and fabrication accessible to many communities and industries. They're able to aid in the rapid prototyping of products such as furniture, machine parts, and fashion accessories. Fablabs are also making a big contribution to the fields of architecture and engineering through 3D models of structures and by allowing professionals to adapt design frameworks faster. In the recent months, Fablabs have become active players in the field of healthcare and medicine when COVID-19 spread like wildfire through different countries. They led in the creation of PPEs, or personal protective equipment, for frontliners, as well as hospital supplies like ventilator valves to address the supply shortage. What are the types of Fablabs? Well, to begin with, there are many types of Fablabs. There are Fablabs that are focused on architecture. There are medical Fablabs. There are fashion and design Fablabs, carpentry, and we're talking about a global scale here. But here in the Philippines, we've got a variety of Fablabs that specialize in the most relevant industries of our country. We've got Fablabs for agriculture, textile and fashion, health and wellness, medicine, product packaging, manufacturers and woodworking, tourism and trade, all of these. What are the functions of Fablabs? As a workshop workspace, Fablabs function as spaces for instruction, research, and product development. Students and members of the academe can enhance their skills and technical knowledge by facilitating and managing FabLab activities. On the other hand, small business owners, industries, and communities can use the FabLab for research purposes and product development. We know what a FabLab is. We know what it can do. But what exactly will we find inside a FabLab? Brace yourselves, because we're getting right into the cool stuff. Let's start with everybody's favorite, 3D printers. Nowadays, 3D printing has been the craze, and it's not really surprising because with 3D printing, you can make almost anything. From 3D models of your toys, prototypes of machine parts, or even things for your hobbies and everyday use. Like 3D printed pots, 3D printed hangers, 3D printed anything. So yes, you will absolutely find 3D printers inside Fablabs because they are every maker's best friend for prototyping. Next, let's get the CNC Flatbed Cutters. These machines can work on a variety of materials like cardboards, acrylics, textiles, and wood. They're often used to make innovative product packaging, cool signage and standees, and even for furniture samples and designs. Anyone here about to start a business? Any entrepreneurs? The CNC Flatbed Cutter might be your next business partner. We also have laser cutters. Pew pew pew! Laser cutters can cut and engrave very intricate shapes and patterns using a laser without burning the material it's working on. Yes, that's right. What's that? What about something as delicate as paper? Not a problem. That's why laser cutters are one of the best machines you can use for customization and personalization. So if you need something cut, be sure to visit your local FabLab and have something cut in minutes. Another one joining our list of FabLab cutting machines is the CNC router. It's a heavy-duty machine that can do cutting, engraving, milling, and drilling. And just like the others, the CNC router is very much capable of dealing with wood, acrylics, glass, and aluminum. But what's special about it is that it can accommodate materials of enormous sizes, like a door. Let's say you want unique carvings on your door. To the CNC router it goes. The CNC Milling Machine. Compared to the CNC router and the CNC Flatbed Cutter, this one's a bit cute in terms of size. The CNC Milling Machine can also cut and engrave, and like the laser cutter, it's more ideal for use in personalization projects. You will definitely find more machines inside a FabLab besides the ones I've mentioned, but 3D printers, CNC Flatbed Cutters, laser cutters, CNC routers, and CNC milling machines are the most common machines that you will see there. To know more about them and discover what else lies in wait, the best thing to do is go visit a FabLab. You're in for a very exciting and unforgettable experience. If you need to customize something, go to your nearest FabLab and have it done in minutes. Now there's still so much to learn about FabLabs, and if this video gave you an itch to seek more knowledge about them, fret not, because I will soon be back for part 2, where we will talk about FabLabs and their major impact to education, communities, and industries. Yup, they really are busy improving people's lives and everything. I know, so busy. And if you can't wait for our next episode, for now, go visit the Accelerating Makers Facebook and YouTube because we've got more videos for you to watch. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you on FabLabs Part 2. Again, I'm Gids, and this is AM Answers.